It is the night before LAN weekend, our first LAN of 2022. Right now, we've actually already passed into Friday morning, or Friday midnight anyways. So technically LAN starts today. I was gonna head down around like 5 a.m. or so to beat traffic, and this time around we are landing at my friend James's place. If you forgot, he's the one with the RV, and we have landed at his place I think like 4, maybe 5 times ever since I started the LAN Party Story series. I have done quite a bit of prep the few days beforehand, so I don't have a ton of stuff to do right now. But I'll show you what I have packed so far. So here's my pile of stuff that I've got packed, and I think aside for my top monitor there and my like peripherals, webcam, and my tower, I think it's just gonna be this. Oh, and of course my chair and that foldable table back there, and this system right here. Okay, so I do have a little bit to transfer to the car, but for the most part, all the small little things I've already gathered up into these 2 totes. These are my extra wires, Xbox controller, extra mouse pads, headphones, and then in this tub, here's the maintenance stuff. So I've got my screwdriver kits, bag of like thermal paste, UPS here, which should give me a little bit of juice if we do trip the breaker. Got screws and stuff like that. So yeah, this is just the maintenance box. I've got a extra mini computer. I'm using this tacular case with a handle, which I did the $500 PC build in. So I'm bringing this along just as a backup computer this time. It's nice, small, and portable, and it's got this easy to carry handle. Got my backpack, and then I have my snacks, which I can go over a little bit. This is my personal bag of snacks. Some of these Mountain Dew energy drinks, which I've been really enjoying. I got them last LAN. Cherry lime lift. I'm always a fan of cherry lime stuff. Strawberry melon spark. This one sounds interesting. I haven't had this one yet. I've had the cherry lime one, but yeah, gotta get my energy drinks on. One of the big things that I need to pack is that computer that you see sitting over there. This is the surprise PC for this LAN, and I have it sitting over here against the wall on this table with light shining on it because I was just taking some B-roll and some pictures of this. It's pretty much ready to go. I've got Windows installed on it, fully updated. I've got the Steam games that we should be playing during this LAN installed on it, ready to go. I'm just going to shut this down now and get it packed up. Good to go. So for this LAN, we decided as a group that we were okay with it being a masks off LAN, which is pretty exciting because the last 2 LANs we had were masks on because we wanted to take the most precaution, and that's what the majority of the group felt would be the safest thing to do. Home tests are now available, and we could actually take them, and if we test negative, there really isn't a reason to wear masks, especially if we're staying for the most part you know, at home and we're not going out into big public places. If we do, it would be like for the Costco run where we will mask up and stuff. This is gonna suck if I test positive, but I don't think I should because I've for the most part just been home and I feel well. Curious out there, how many of y'all have done this at-home test? This is only my 2nd time doing it. I had to travel a few weeks ago, so I did it then, but yeah, that was my first time just a few weeks ago, but this is gonna be my 2nd time ever. Last time I did this and I pulled it out, like some chunks came out. Other nose now. And now we stir it in this thing. Wait, is it 15 seconds or 50? Oh, it's 15 times. Cap this off. Alright. Now we wait 15 minutes. Start the timer. Alright. We are good to go. So apparently you're not supposed to show your COVID results online because people can go online and take your picture and pass it off as their own, but I found a way around that where I can show it and they wouldn't be able to take the picture because bam, I am negative, baby, and whoever wants to take this picture, good luck having whatever the heck I put on this thing all around there. So gonna give them the good news, and I will be heading down in a few hours. I'm actually feeling very tired right now. I need to finish up editing a video, so I will, I think, do that before I shower, or should I shower right now?
In the classroom with the kids, aren't I, kid?
Alright, all showered up, all brushed up, and right now it is about 1:30. So yeah, then I'm gonna spend the rest of the time editing, probably for a couple hours, and just finish the video, upload it, get the thumbnail, description, title, everything. Then I don't have to worry about it at all over the weekend. So my idea was, oh my goodness, I am very tired. I have made a horrible mistake. I don't think driving this tired would be fun. I'm done with this video, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it to export, and while that happens, I think I'm gonna take a power nap until 5. Then that should give me 30 minutes to pack the rest of it up and pack the car, and then head out around 5:45 or so. Let's get this, at least draft of this video, exported. Alright, and there it is. So I overslept or overnapped, but I think it's fine. Still relatively early. Now I'm going to shut my computer down, pack up the rest of my stuff. This is why cable management sucks sometimes. Sometimes you do it up so nicely that it takes a long time to undo. And because I had some people asking in some of the other LAN videos when I forgot to bring it up, still got the OG Gatorade. 2016 right there. Something very peaceful about packing your car for a trip in the morning. Alright, so now I gotta get the big PC box in here. Alright, here we have it. Everything fit. PC is nice and safe near the front. My PC is not so safe. Couldn't find the bag for it. Everything should be wedged in here though when I close the trunk. Ooh, I just hit something. Just gonna say bye to Melissa real quick. Head out. Love you. Have fun. Thanks. Got my front seat and the back. But yeah, let's start into LAN. Alright, so the trip is gonna be 1 hour and 10 minutes. I should get there around 8:40 or so. Gonna let the LAN crew know so that they can expect me. I think James should hopefully be awake by then. Ooh. If for whatever reason the latch of my trunk failed, it just popped right open and stuff started flying out the back, my personal PC would be like the first thing to go. Next time, should probably put that closer to the front or right front seat with me. What was I thinking? I wasn't thinking straight. We are officially off the freeways. We are on inside roads from this point on. I gave the group chat the ETA, and Jen said that he would try to get there around the same time. So I'm curious if I'm gonna beat him. Oh, looks like I'm gonna beat Jen. He just said on my way right now. And I'm 3 minutes away. Aha, I will keep up my streak of being the first one at LAN.
Your destination is on the left.
And we're here. Ooh, who are all these cars already? James, why you got so many cars? You got your RV and then 4 other cars here. I guess there are 3 people living in the house. Alright, I made it. So you know the deal. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I will see you down in the comments, as well as hopefully in a few days in the full LAN video when that drops. Bye.